Inshallah, we are going to continue in this class the next part functions. We already have done up to 21 questions, 21st question. Now this is the 22nd question. Before going to the question, I request the students to revise all the formulas and see the previous parts so that you can easily understand this part. This session, watch carefully. So what you have to prove: cot x, cot 2x, cot 2x, cot 3x, cot 3x, cot x equals to 1. You see here, we have to start like this. See what is, we know we have one relation. What is the relation x, 2x and 3x here? We can say like this: x plus 2x equals to 3x. This is the method we have to start. X plus 2x equals to 3x. Now we have want cot now, so apply cot on both sides. So this will become cot of x plus 2x equals to cot 3x. Now next step, if you suppose this is as a, this is as b, so this will be cot a plus b. Now cot a plus b is cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Let me use this formula. This is a, this is b, so cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a equals to cot 3x. Now you cross multiply this will come here like this: cot 2x cot x minus 1 equals to cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x. You multiply with cot 3x, so it will be cot 2x cot x minus 1 equals to, or else you do one thing, you bring this minus 1 on the other hand, it will be plus 1, minus 1 on here, plus 1, plus you multiply this one: cot 3x into cot 2x cot 3x cot 2x, sorry, cot 2x. Now cot 3x into cot x is cot 3x cot x. Now bring these two terms here, write according to the sequence. First I am writing this order wise: cot x cot 2x. Now bring this here, it will be minus this one, cot 2x cot 3x. The same bring here this plus term on the other side, minus cot 3x cot x equals to, what is left here, 1. So this is the answer we required. Now see, we have to prove tan 4x equals to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Now see how to start. We can write 4 as 2 into 2. So I am writing like this: tan of 2 into 2x. Now you suppose like this: tan 2, this complete as a, so this a means here 2x, so this is as tan 2a. We know the formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. So we can write as 2 tan a. In place of a we are having 2x divided by 1 minus tan square a, tan square. In place of a we have to write 2x. Now see here again, this is tan 2x means tan 2a. We can use the same formula, tan 2a. Okay, we know tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Again let me use the formula here, watch carefully. 2 into, again tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Here also 1 minus tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. But we are having square here. Suppose we are having a by b whole square, we can write like this: a square by b square. So I am writing like this: whole square, no, this is square separately, so that we can reduce one step. Now let me take LCM. If we take LCM, you will get multiplied with this one here. See, watch here: 2 2s are 4, it will be 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. If you take LCM, this will be multiplied with 1 like this: 1 minus tan square x whole square. We multiplied with 1 minus this 2 will be 2 square is 4 tan square x divided by, what is left here after taking LCM, 1 minus tan square x whole square. Suppose we are having suppose x by x square. We cancel this x and square. In the same way, we will cancel this 1 minus tan square x, this is square. Now this will go into the numerator. We can write like this, 4 tan x into the denominator is numerator. This will be in the numerator, 1 minus tan square x divided by, now watch carefully. Now we can expand this one, a minus b whole square is a square minus b square, sorry, minus 2ab. 2 ones are 2 into tan square x, 2 tan square x. A square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into tan square x, 2 tan square x, plus b square tan square x whole square, that will be tan power 4x, minus what is left here, 4 tan square x. So the last step, minus 4 tan square x minus 2 tan square x will be minus 6 tan square x. So this is the last step, 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Now what is left hand side here, cos 4x. Just now we have seen how to write 4 can be written as 2 into 2x. So this is of the formula cos 2a. We are having 3 formulas. One formula is cos square a minus sin square a. One more formula we have this 2 cos square a minus 1. One more formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So can you say which formula is better for using? See here, 1 minus 8 sin square. Let me use this formula. Again we can change sin to 2 sin a cos, like that. We are going to use this one. Watch carefully. Suppose this is a. Now this is cos 2a. Cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. In place of x a, we are having 2x. Now again we have to change sin to a. We know what is sin to a, 2 sin a cos a. So I am changing like this, 1 minus 2 into sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. But we are having square, so square it. So 1 minus 2 into 2 square will be 4. Then again sin square x, again cos square x. So the last step, 1 minus 2 4s are 8 sin square x cos square x. Now see the next question, cos 6x. Cos 6x. Now we see here, watch carefully. Cos 6x can be written as cos of 2 into 3x. Okay. So you suppose this as a. So we are having cos 2a. Cos 2a can be written as, just now we have seen that we use this formula, 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. Because we have to get the answer complete in cos. So let me use the formula of cos. See here, cos 2, this is a, is 2 cos square a 3x minus 1. Watch carefully, 2 cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Again we are having this formula. Now see here, cos, this will be 3a. Again we are having a formula, cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So let me expand like this, 2 into cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. But we are having square, no, so let me square this one, minus 1. 2 into, this is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab cos cube x a, 3 cos a plus b square 3 cos a whole square minus 1. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, again minus 1. Now see here, first use this one square, 4 square is 16. If you square this, this will be 3 2s are 6 cos power 6a minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Cos cube into cos is nothing but cos power 4a plus 3 square is 9, again cos square a bracket minus 1. Now last step, you multiply this with 2. 2 16s are 32, cos power 6a. 2 24s are 48, cos power 4a. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, cos square a minus 1. So this is the answer we required. Now see the next question. Sin x plus y by sin x minus y equals to tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y. Before going to the question, let me revise these two formulas. We know sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now let me write the left hand side. Sin x plus y by sin x minus y. Now use the formula sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos x sin y. This is a, this is b. In the same way, in the denominator, use sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now watch carefully. We have to bring the answer in terms of tan. In terms of tan, tan is nothing but sin by cos. So to change this into tan, we have to divide both. We have to divide numerator and denominator by. We want cos in the denominator, so you write like this: cos x cos y. If we divide the numerator and denominator by cos x cos y, we will change in terms of tan, because we have to get the answer in terms of tan. So divide numerator and denominator by sin x cos x by, we have to divide this each term by cos x cos y. In the numerator, cos x cos y, sin y, divided by cos x cos y. In the denominator also you do the same thing, sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Now we get the answer. See here, cos cancel. Now this sin by cos is tan x plus cos x cancel. Sin by cos is tan, we are having angle y. Cos cancel, tan x minus tan y. So we have done few questions in this class. Let me continue with the next concept in the next class, trigonometric equations. I request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel. Inshallah, we are going to continue the next class.